Итак, ребята, всем привет, я Андрей, и я предоставляю проходить игру «Бог среди нас». И это прохождение от 2015 года. Так. Давно не играю. С тобой управление теста. Ну что ж, продолжим. Ух ты. Да, я помню. На этом эпизоде мы остановились. Так.
I've never seen her face before now.
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do.
Так, ну надо. Я следую. Сначала начнем с головы.
Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before.
А почему именно ленточка
Anything?
оставляют ленточку?
Can you...
Какой это? Этот знак? Странно.
Thanks.
Спасибо. Так. Теперь нужно шею. Отметка на шее.
Looks just like Faith's did.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Hard to tell. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run tests.
Так, чё, опять можно исследовать?
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Ага. Так. Понятно. Брось.
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that. Why bother with the right perfume if the appearance isn't completely accurate?
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Окей. Что сейчас? Следы от рукой. Ух ты.
Track marks.
Что это?
She used Monday drugs?
Она
That
наркоманка.
way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms.
Ясно,
They're
да.
trying to hide the marks.
Если
Anyway,
все
it seems it's not a perfect match to your leg. Unless
из куда-то бы.
Ridiculous.
maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything
Так.
else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
It might be a cheap one, just to get the job done.
The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match.
Пугаюсь.
The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Так. А вот повеса. Что за повеса? На свыше? А, этот. веревки.
Rope marks.
She was tied up?
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh.
Так. Что еще тут можно исследовать? Пуговицы всякие-то.
You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Так. Мне нужно... Я не против, если я
Snow, do you mind if I
Я стяну
open her coat?
всякие. Я стегну.
Just let me do it.
То есть, да, я стегну. Она сама. Давай
Making
придется.
progress. Let's see what else we can find.
Давай.
Well, I certainly hope you're
Мне
behaving
тоже
yourself
страшно.
here. Now that you're done burning people, what have you found out?
She was using Mundy drugs. Pretty heavily, too, judging by the track marks on her legs.
Track marks? Isn't there... there are diseases...
I don't think she has to worry about that now.
No. No, of course not.
We should keep going.
Нам нужно продолжать. Да. Бей ее.
Are you wearing silk lingerie, Snow?
Why do you want to know?
I'm just trying to see if the clothes are exact.
They're not.
Угу. Так, каймон. Что в каймоне? А, духи?
What is that?
She had the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
Так. Каймон. Еще один.
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
Давай выясним. Выясним. Черт.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Я разберусь.
I think I can figure it out. Something to do with these rings here.
Так. А просто собрать картинку. А, это легко. О. Вот так.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh,
Так, что это? Свернутые фотографии.
someone must have taken this from my apartment. I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think... This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore.
Так, окей. Пучок порос.
Let me guess. It's my hair.
Yeah.
Who did this, Bigby?
Блин, трое. Только трое мне не хватало. Срань, Господня.
Holy shit.
Well, that helps explain the
Только трое мне не
kind
хватало.
of. Who is she? That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many
Yeah.
things, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
Maybe Holly knows.
The owner of the trip trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her
Да.
go out there with you.
Пусть
You'd be
не
putting her life at risk.
решает.
If Snow wants to come with me, I'm not gonna stop her.
But
We should leave now.
Да.
Ready?
Yeah.
This whole
Все
thing is complete
как
bullshit.
Рано
Always
утром.
has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after.
Come on, Holly. I need entertainment. This'll do.
Да не буду я тебя бить. Давай. Это все нормально. Можешь идти. Я сраблюсь.
Okay, I know. Just relax. I'm not here to start anything.
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps all the muscle.
Jack.
Wolfie, my dear, how are you? Because, you know, we were just talking about you.
Да, мне нужно
At the bar, here. About you.
поговорить.
I just need to talk to Holly. Privately.
Alright, just give us a second first. I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
Tweedledee was just here.
Теряю должен быть.
You said it looked like Snow White.
Brain.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night. He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative duties. Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack,
to...
find the off button, now!
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around. But as soon as the big bad wolf walks in,
Да,
tails
представляешь,
go between your
страшно
legs.
всего.
Cat got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired, is what happened.
Tired of what?
Holly!
What?
Bigby, look. 2 fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister,
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister, has been missing for what? A few days now?
Выгнать.
And we haven't heard word one about it from anyone. Hey, easy! Ah, fuck! What'd I do? It's an honest question. Ah!
Go fuck on up a beanstalk, Jack boy.
Gren, you gotta learn some new lines. Let me tell you.
Да.
Alright then.
Ладно.
Actually, have there been any updates?
I don't know how to say this to you, Holly. The woman we found in the river,
Who was it?
you know who it was.
Твоя сестренка.
God fucking damn it! Of course, the dear Princess Snow fucking White is all safe and sound. Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for.
Да успокойся, чувак. Успокойся.
All right. Now, give her some room.
I ain't leaving her with you. No
Не
way.
трогай так. Да, перевести скорее подействует, как
Get the fuck
сенсорная
out of my
сенсор.
bar.
I just
It
wanted
should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this.
That was decent of you.
Gren,
Yeah?
take off for a bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Да, я уверен. Иди, ты будешь только мешать. Выход.
I don't know that much about her life. Honestly, we didn't talk often.
Да,
She was lost here in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Why were you two not talking?
It seems so fucking petty now, but I didn't want to watch her wither. I think she was off the Monday drugs, but she was hooking to pay down debt. It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie. The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees, it's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
да.
Really, it's okay. If it's too much, we don't have to do this.
Georgie. What do you know about him?
We can just go talk to him. We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
А я все проверю.
That's helpful. I'll check into it.
Is she... Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her. Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of... It's a formality with
Да, ты
Troy.
можешь
Our day by
собрать
sunrise,
их.
or... I don't know.
Of course.
Конечно.
Okay.
Пускай по
Let's go down to the business office and start making the
похоронит
necessary preparations.
свою сестру. Это надо.
That club?
I'll go down there now. See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her. I'm impressed. Really, thanks. It just made everything easier.
Окей. А мы сейчас едем в шапке 10, приехали вечер.
Oh, Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course.
Мне
Is
на
it
вопросы.
business or pleasure?
Сосу.
I've got some questions for Georgie.
Ты сос.
Straight to business this time, then. You're in luck. He's here. Come on.
Пойдемте.
I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working. And he's in kind of a mood right now. I
Я
mean,
уверен.
more so than usual.
It'll be fine. I have a way with people.
So I've heard.
Окей, давай. Пускай меня.
Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure. Your desires
Sister,
are
hey.
our desires.
Did you know Lily? She worked here?
My lips are sealed. You'd better ask Georgie.
Окей. А вон Бэкэя отдыхает. Охренеть.
What do you think
Вот,
you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a shit. Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want
Да
that.
он отчаялся
Dopey
был.
bitch.
Nice guy. Seems like a real prince.
You do have a sense of humor. That's good. Good luck.
Удачи.
It's your
Yeah.
face. You have to smile. You never smile.
Ух ты.
How many times do I
Нужно
have to say it?
посмотреть.
You're supposed to turn the clients on. That's your job. You want them to feel happy. You want them to think you feel
Так.
happy.
Ну давайте
You want them to forget
сначала
about your shoulders and
сразу
fucking
поговорим.
hours. You want them to get so worked up that they'll stuff
Да
their
вы
wallets
что
straight
там
up.
ворчите?
Oh, it's you. We're closed. Keep dancing, you. I didn't say stop. For fuck's sake. You, stay right there. Don't even think
У
about
меня
it.
есть вопрос.
I got a few questions.
Imagine my excitement. What do you want then? You here for a little taste? Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up. Or, knowing you, she's probably not quite your
Да блин,
style.
я не
You'd prefer
я
someone
не
who can take a bit
знаю.
of a beating. Tell me, do you prefer a stationary target or one that will put up a fight?
I'm not here for that.
Oh, I'm not here for that.
Представь себе на чай, блин. Давай.
Jesus, Bigby, you're so corny. I love it though. No, seriously, I love it. Okay, alright, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
Что правда?
Are you sure?
Уверен?
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it. Especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamored.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No, I mean glamored to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all kinds of things when nobody's watching.
Это не
No,
все.
it's illegal to impersonate another fable.
It's frowned on.
It's illegal as long as I don't like it. The 13th floor would never provide a glamour like that. It's strictly black market stuff.
Ooh, black market is it? How exciting. This is exactly what I would expect from a thug like you. Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare people. But you've got fuck all to back it up. And we're all just meant to jump any time the wolf shows his teeth. He used to be something, you know.
Покосят волосы.
Get that out of my face.
This was part of the glamour we found on Lily's body. Take a good look. She was impersonating Snow White. Why?
Oh, hey, if you say so.
Зачем?
Looks like hair to me.
Ну говорю, Косё.
Anyway, even
Давай.
suppose she was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. I don't need the trouble.
For who, then?
I don't know. She had clients. Maybe one of them was into it. A lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the mirror. Anyway, now what to do with me?
Косё.
Go on then.
Пусть убью такая. Давай. Вы решили выключить.
You can do it, me. Go ahead. That's what you want to do, right? That's what you
Я
came
к
here
частям,
for, right?
если
Tell me
все
what I want to
это.
know, or I'll shut this whole place down.
К частям снимать.
Oh no, fuck! You! Take your sad fucking face where I can't see it!
Можно уйти.
Bastard fucking
Включай
shit!
сюда.
You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess? Fuck's sake. Fuck off, Hans.
Прикольно. Эй,
I need to ask you a few questions.
Hans just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design. Discretion is our guarantee, right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes and take my cut. End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in
You're a
it?
fucking moron.
Show me.
There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication skills and have a fairly good idea where to start. Hey, that's my personal property.
я скачиваю эту книгу.
Sure, go ahead. Do what comes naturally.
Tell me about the book.
You haven't got the slightest clue about anything. Hey, now.
Поехали. Срывать автомат с сигаретой.
You shouldn't have messed with that. Don't even think about it.
Я спичиваюсь.
Jesus,
Чего? К чертовой матери. К частям
do not
собачьим.
touch that. You hear me? That's nothing to do with you.
О, что это?
Well, what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key to it. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Дай мне книгу.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it. Jesus, you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you.
2 women are dead.
Then quit being a bloody idiot. Come on, Nate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
Срывать.
This is a dance club. What the hell am I supposed to do while the girls on stage? Harmonica, kazoo, whistle a happy tune. Fucking unbelievable. Bloody come on then.
Ну наконец-то.
Fucking
Я
jack
с
my business over
король.
this bullshit. Fable.
Да мне насрать на месяц. Это не мой месяц. Понимаешь, что кретин.
Once again, don't
Давай рассказывай,
Nothing here
Карис.
that'll tell you anything.
Что там
Get to
наделает,
the balls
чувак.
for me and my club, so you can be happy about that.
Here, this is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby. Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Ants knows that.
What's 207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie. This is your book. Your girls.
I'm not their fucking secretary. I give them a stage, I give them music, I provide an erotic venue to attract and retain clients. But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients, not me. The girls. They're the ones with the Mr. Smiths and Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens outside the club, that's on them. I log the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint.
Плевать. Наса.
Hello? Business office?
Посмотри. А, ну плевать.
Yeah, that's right.
Так. Вот, исследовать. Тут все.
I want to talk to the deputy mayor.
Вот деньги.
I don't give a rat's ass about that. Just fuck off and fetch him for me, alright?
58.
Собрать деньги. Собрать, да. Около 9. Стоит.
No, I don't want to.
И эти деньги собрать к себе. Вот и все. Так.
What's that?
Поговорить.
Georgie?
Ладно, окей.
Porgy. It's Georgie Porgy. Well, I wouldn't be calling if it wasn't important, would I?
Ну что ж. А на этом все. Это вторая большая премьера сезона, год 2015. Всем удачи, всем пока.